The Children's University has been a fantastic opportunity for all the children to get involved in extracurricular activities outside and in school. We've been able to have Ed Holden come in as Mr. Formula and do some amazing workshops with us. All of our teachers have created different clubs using pupil voice. And what we didn't realise is what's actually on our doorstep for children and for them to access that. So those who already play football have played football even more. And one of their parents has just been talking to me about how her daughter goes home and goes on her iPad. What Children's University did for her was enabling them to spend time together. The packs, the way it was emailed and delivered, it was just all there. Pick it up, have a go. And they really enjoyed it. And just the excitement coming back into school, like, we've completed this, can we upload this? We did this last night. And seeing them today, I don't think they realised what they've done until today, and they were just in absolute amazement with everything. And they can't wait to get back to school to tell all the friends and to do a presentation about how amazing it's been. So they're giving us ideas of how to have and encompass Children's University on a bigger scale, more clubs, more community, more children, and so we can outreach more and get them as best opportunities as possible for the future.
Fy enw i yw Gracie ac dwi'n yma heddiw I bod yn graddio am Prifysgol y Plant. Mae wedi bod yn hwylus ac mae wedi bod fel activities hwylus fel Clwb Natur, y sioe, elwi a mwy. Os fyswn ni'n dweud wrth plant pethau amdan Prifysgol Plant, na I dweud paid â rhoi fyny. Ti'n gallu gwneud bob peth ti'n eisiau gwneud yno a mae'n hwylus iawn a gwneud o hefo ffrindiau. Hwna beth dwi wedi gwneud.
First, obviously, being relatively new and we didn't know much about it, it was like, okay, it's another fact, but it's not. You can see the enjoyment that they're getting out of it and what they wanted to put into it as well. And it's obviously extracurricular activities as well. They can do more and it still contributes towards what they're achieving. It's wonderful to see them all dressed up with the hats and the gowns and just the way they look so smart together.
It's a day to remember for all of them today, of what they've achieved for everyone.